October 6th, 2021, just 5 days until she's 2. And I still get to hold her and rock her to sleep. She just stained the baby a little bit longer for me. So I managed to lay her down. This is where she sleeps at night. Not on the pillow though. There's actually a big bumper here. Yeah, she was pretty noisy with her breathing these days. I wanted to try having her elevated a little bit to see if that would make a difference. But nope. At least she looks comfy on the pillow. She does not sleep on the pillow though. I get the pillows. What a cutie, huh? Let's get a picture. Should we put her baby here? This is why I wish that the CPAP would work for her. She had been noisy for quite a while with breathing, but the last about 3 weeks she has been. And at first I thought, well, maybe she's slow stuffy and has a cold. But no, it's been too long. Here's her pump camera. Put the plastic bags from her feeding bags. Plastic that come in and go in there. Yeah. This is how we do it. Well, anyway, I've got a lasagna to put in the oven. Gotta get started early on things, so it's only, let's see, 10:46 in the morning. Just gotta rest up for her big party day next Monday. I'll see you later. It's a little after 5. It's 75 degrees. Enjoying a quiet little evening at the beach here. Finishing out the first week of October and it's still so nice and warm. Even Saturday. It's supposed to be 80. Soaking it up, aren't we? What you doing there? Yeah. Pretty white sand, huh? We went for a walk with a friend and her newborn this afternoon. We went to the park. I left my phone in the truck, so I didn't get any pictures there, but she got some. you doing? Mm-hmm. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. You're really getting involved there, Laura. Oh my goodness, are you learning to swim? Are you learning to swim? Do you need help? Not sure if she needs help to get up, or she just wants to keep climbing. Huh? You got it. Very good. Need help? There we go. Yeah, that was a lot of work, huh? I bet you are trying to come over here and get me all sandy. Did that bee come buzzing at your head? Where are you going? All those little grunts. So cute. Here's a view of the lake. There's some kayaks over there. On the other side, there's a pontoon. Here she comes. She wants to get me messy. She must know already that I don't like the sand in the car. Need help? We tried to take some pictures out on the dock, but she wasn't really smiling or anything. And I couldn't really see the screen that well, so I don't know if any of them turned out. What you doing? I don't think we need to put sand in my top. No. I think we might take off her little romper and get some cute little pictures with her beautiful little diaper on with the little beads on it, huh? Okay, I was wrong. It has rockets on it. Same color scheme. See how cute that is, huh? Yeah. Doobie baby. Choo choo. Choo choo. Choo choo. Choo choo. Five more days until she's 2. Look how cute. There's Mommy's shadow. Mommy was on you. What you doing there, small fry? You really want to crawl. Big girl. Just gonna be a big girl, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, you don't have to put your head in the sand, do ya? Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Look at how cute this is. Little kites. Are you coming over here? You are so strong. Beach baby. Should we be snowbirds and leave for the winter? Go live on the beach in the winter, huh? She just wants to be right by me. She keeps coming on over. Ooh, big truck. Ooh, it's a big truck. Here comes another truck. Yep, I'm not ready for pumpkin spice and all that yet, am I? I'm still loving the summer. So I think we just have a few more nice days in the 70s and 80s left, which is, you know, more than I could dream of at this time of year. So we'll just go ahead and enjoy them, right? Cute little. Oh, your hair got so poofy in the car seat, huh? Got so poofy in the car seat. Well, that's all for now. Say bye-byes. So bye-bye. Yeah, not that far down, honey bun. Ugh, my hair's sticking up. Anyway. My little Jabberjaws here was wanting to chit-chat, I think. Want to chit-chat? She's really having a lovely time. She wasn't too sure about the sand at the beginning of the summer, but we played in it enough. She's a huge fan of it now, aren't you? She would probably just love it if Mommy brought some sand home for her to play with and get my house all sandy with, huh? Do you want to get up? Do you want up? Do you want up? Oh, yes, she does. Hi. Oh, it's Mommy's hair. Is it my shirt? Look at those strong little leggies. Ticka 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 doo. Here, Mommy, get your strong little leggies. I'll get my hand so I can't tickle you. It sure is beautiful out. I should have brought some food and I could have had a picnic. really peaceful here tonight.